Hello guys, I'm Maybe Cubing back with a new video. It's been a long time since I've uploaded, but today I'm uploading finally. So today I'll be giving you three one-handed example solves, and I average sub 20 just so you know. So you can learn some tips here and there that will help you if you want to get better in one-handed. So let's get right into it. So this is the first scramble. I'll put the scramble over here or in the description, so you can scramble the cube according to it and follow along with me if you want to. So here's the first scramble. I see the green is solved, so connected with white, and my oh yeah, just before we get into it, this is like an advance, the people who are maybe sub 25, sub 24, like around 20 to 25 range. If you're about 25, this, like, you can learn some tips, but it might be a bit hard for you to follow up because I'll be saying a bit fast, but you can still learn from this video, so make sure to watch it till the end. So coming back, I see the green piece is solved over here, red is here, blue and orange. The way I'll solve this is insert the red. Then now, yeah, before we get into it, inserting this, you must orient your cube, like place your cube in a way that's comfortable, because one-handed you only have 5 fingers and you can't like turn extremely fast, so you must keep the cube for R and U moves as much as possible, as those are the easiest moves. So so I'll keep my cube like this, where the green white edges on like this side and my red pieces here. So I'll do a U, R in order to move it back, then insert this blue with a U2, then I'll rotate, do a U2, then an R2. That solves my cross. Now I'll just turn my cube like this. Now my first pair is gonna be this. So how I'm gonna do this is like rotate like this, U prime, R prime, U, then rotate back. And now what I could do here is a D, white D, then R prime, then get a small regrip, then do a U prime, then R. Now it's not the efficient way, but sometimes I do like I like to do it. So my next pair is going to be the orange, green, white, and this. So what I'm gonna do here is do a U prime, rotate, and as you can see the pair is formed. All I have to do is an R prime, U prime, R2, and then just insert it. And now my next pair is going to be these two. And now notice how here both of these edges are oriented. So after this rotation, I don't need to like rotate to solve the last pair. So I'll just rotate and I'll solve these two first. And another thing, I don't know if you guys noticed it. Okay, let me show you. This is a really cool thing. When I do R, U2, R prime, both of these pairs are solved, and this is lucky. I just saw this. It's pretty lucky. I probably wouldn't have seen it solved, but like while inserting I would have, makes sense, but I couldn't have predicted it. So here, instead of like, now since I've solved the red, but if I solve this, you see this pair gets disturbed, and I would rather insert this first, then insert this, and now that saved my time. And here we have OLL and JPerm. Oh shoot. So here's our second scramble, and you can scramble the cube to follow along. So my cross pieces are here, 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 and here. So what I'm going to do here is I hold the cube like this, do U prime, insert orange over here, do a wide R prime, then I'll do a rotation, solve the green with a U prime, rotate back, D prime, and I saw that there is a block, so I know like the corner piece will be solved. And just while I'm doing it, I'll like do a bit small like rotation. It's not a rotation, it's just like looking at the back, and I saw the piece was here and it was just like 3 moves away. Do a F prime, insert it at the back. Just so you know, this is oriented, so I don't need to rotate it. So I'll insert it at the back with an R prime, U, R, do a D2, that solves it. Next I'm going to solve these two. So because there is no rotation required to solve this, so I'll solve that with a U2, then do R, U prime, R prime to form this pair. Then I'll rotate like this, U prime, R prime, sorry, U, R prime, U prime. Then rotate back. So now I'll rotate like this and solve this because this is like 4 moves away. So U prime, then it becomes a 3 move insert. I'll solve it at the back. Then I have these two, and it's just basic move, which is R U prime R prime U R U prime R prime. Then you can just insert this. So I got a very bad PLL OLL, sorry, and I haven't learned like all the algs. And at last PLL. We have the last scramble. I see my cross pieces here, here, and here. So I can't really think of a good cross. This is the worst one I've seen so for today. Okay, what I would do here is actually solve orange first. D prime, F prime. You can do F prime like this, then do a D prime and R prime, and then I'll just like rotate and solve this. So my first pair is gonna be these two because I couldn't really find others, and all of them are like in a bad position, as you can see. So I'll solve these two like this pair, rotation, like do a U to set it up, do R prime U prime R, which sets us like the 3 move insert thing, U2, then insert it at the back. Next is going to be these two. So I'll do R U prime R prime, and then I'm going to insert this in the back just so I know the visibility. It's actually like best to do have R moves rather than like rotations, but for now I think this is the best because once I solve this, I can solve this with like instantly, so I'll solve this at the back. Then next this pair. Oh wait, I think I should have slowed this a bit slower. Yeah, so I'll first insert this corner like this, then U prime, you get this case and you solve it. Then last we have these two over here and here. I'll do U2, rotate, U prime R prime U R U prime R prime U, and then we have OLL and PLL A perm. I'm really bad at one-handed PLLs. And that's it for today's video, guys. Hopefully you like it. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe to my channel for more walkthrough solves and other content. And I'll be uploading right now because I haven't been uploading, as you know. You can check my other videos, which is like 1 year back, and I'm really sorry for that. So I'll be uploading more and more like maybe one video at least like per week. So hopefully you'll enjoyed it, learn something, learn some tricks that will help you to improve. So make sure to leave a like, subscribe to my channel, and comment down below what you guys like, would like me to make, because that will help me to give you the content which you guys like. So see you in my next video.